my new magnet arrived. I bought it secondhand from someone who never used it. I will give you a link to the site where this magnet was originally sold. You can find it right here. The original price was like 60 euro, a bit less, but I bought it for just 20 euro. It's a good buy. The magnet is inside this wooden box. It's completely handmade by the previous owner, and I think it's a beautiful box and very good for transportation. If we open it, we can see this magnet is new, never used. It's very practical, organized inside here. We have the magnet. It's a neodymium magnet which can pull 175 kilo. It's like this, a standard magnet with the rubber insulation and protection against shocks. And yes, I think I will have very good catches with this magnet. As you can see, the ground of this box is also metal, so you can put a magnet here and it won't swing everywhere when you transport it. It's very practical. So if you want to see my next videos fishing with this magnet, please subscribe and like this video. See you later.